Welcome guys. Let's do Bitcoin and Ethereum technical analysis. This is BTC USDT pair 1 hour chart and price is at $21,260 right now. Bitcoin's rejected several times from this price area, which is $21,700 price area. And here you can see several rejection from this zone. Here you can see, and you can see there. That is why this is a strong resistance, and now Bitcoin is at $21,270 right now. Bitcoin was in this ascending triangle pattern, but unfortunately Bitcoin price broke this towards downside. In bear market, this is a bearish pattern and price target would be this area, $19,800 price area. There is a minor support for the Bitcoin is at this zone, which is $20,900 price area. But this is a very weak support. But major support for the Bitcoin is at $19,800, $19,700. This area is a strong support area and $21,700 is a strong resistance area. If Bitcoin price broke this area, in that case, next target would be $23,000 price area, and this is also a strong rejection. Here you can see price move towards upside and price hit this area and price seems rejection, and that is why here you can see, and you can see here price moved towards upside and price rejected from this zone. That is why this is a strong rejection area, strong resistance area. I am waiting for the Bitcoin to reach at $19,800 and I think price can hit this zone, and this is a strong buying zone. You can buy it at this zone or you can buy it at this zone, which is $17,800 price area. $17,800 price area and $19,700 price area. These both are major support zone and major buying levels for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you 4-hour chart. Guys, I just want to aware you that there are $9,280 crypto exchange bonuses for you. Binance is giving $710 bonus, Fimex is giving $4,100 bonus, Bybit is giving $4,100 bonus, and these bonuses are absolutely free. Please go to in this video's description where you can find these links. This is BTC USDT 4-hour pair and it is facing a rejection from here, and here you can see it is creating a double top. Here you can see it was previous top, now it is current top. That is why price can retrace to this area, which is 19,800, and maybe we may see some consolidation like this, and after that price can touch this area. This is the possible scenario and price can hit this area. If Bitcoin price broke this, next potential target would be $23,000 price area, but I think price can retrace to this zone because this is a double top pattern and price can retrace to $19,800 and $17,800. These are both strong zones, and let me please show you some indicators. Here you can see at the same time, at the same point where this horizontal resistance exists, this fib level exists and price reject from this zone. Now price can retrace to 20,500, maybe $19,700 price area, this area. Now we have to wait until price broke this ribbon, and after that upside rally will start. Currently 21,700 is a strong resistance and 23,000 is also a strong resistance. Once price broke these both resistances, after that Bitcoin price can reach to $28,000 again. Why I am saying this, let me please show you. Here you can see once Bitcoin price broke $23,000 price area, there is no such a strong resistance, and next potential target would be $28,000 price area, this area, and price can retrace to this area. So we have to wait until Bitcoin price broke $21,700, $23,000 price area, and make a proper spot on it, and after that price can hit $28,000 price area. Until now I am still very bearish. And let me please change the color of it, and let me please show you some other indicators. Let me please show you fib levels for trading, and let me please show you. Here you can see Bitcoin price rejects several times from this zone, which is 0.38 fib level, which is $21,700 price area. If Bitcoin price broke this area, next potential target would be $23,000, 0.5 fib level, and after that this golden bucket, which is 0.61, and it is at $24,200 price area, and so on. That is why these both levels are very, very important. $21,700 and $23,000 price area. Both areas are very, very important resistances for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin have to break these resistance in order to hit $28,000 price area. This is Ethereum 4-hour chart, and let me please show you first Ethereum daily chart. And here you can, this is 1-hour chart, and here you can see Ethereum is rejected from $1,250 price area, and major spot is at $1,180 price area. Price can hit again $1,180. After that, price can maybe move in between these areas, these both areas. And once price broke this support area, next major support is at this area, $1,130 price area. And after that, next support is at $1,050 price area, $1,016 price area. Ethereum price have to break this zone, which is $1,250 price area. After that, price will hit new targets. Otherwise, maybe we may see some range bound type of price movement in Ethereum, and Ethereum have to break this. Once Ethereum break this area, let me please show you, there is no such a resistance. After that, price can easily retrace to this area, which is $1,360, and after that this area $1,450, and so on. But until now I am bearish. Ethereum price can go down to $1,180, maybe $1,120, maybe $1,080 price area in very near future. Let me please show you 4-hour chart. This is Ethereum 4-hour chart, and in Ethereum in 4-hour, Ethereum is creating a pattern which is called head and shoulder. This is head, this is right shoulder, this is left shoulder, and potential target would be, if I calculate it from bottom to top, and if I measure this, then potential target would be the same area I mentioned, $1,650 price area. Ethereum having strong rejection at $1,275 in 4-hour time zone, and strong spot is at $1,110 price area. Maybe we may see some range bound type of price movement in Ethereum price. Once Ethereum price broke this area, $1,275 to $1,300 price area, next potential target would be $1,450, maybe $1,650. Until now, maybe we may see range bound type of pattern. Let me please show you some indicators, and let me please show you. This is fib retracement tool, and here you can see price rejected from same area, a 0.5 fib level, which is very strong resistance area. Once price break this area, next potential target would be 0.61 fib level, which is at $1,378. After that, 0.78, which is $1,500 price area, and so on. Until now, price can retrace to maybe $1,100, maybe $1,050, and maybe $800 price area again. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now,